Hi folks, I am Siddhant Sahni and today I'll be walking you through the process of capturing demos using Fable. After you have signed up for Fable, the first thing to do before anything else is get Fable's Chrome extension. So let's head over to Fable's Chrome extension and click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. And it's done. Don't forget to pin the extension for easy access. After pinning the extension, you are all set to create your first interactive demo, or as we call it, a Fable. You can record any web page or application that opens in the browser. The process is straightforward, and I'll show you how that looks with an example of Google Calendar. You can start recording the demo by clicking on the Start Recording button of the extension. This fires up Fable, and every single action you take on the web app will be automatically stitched together by Fable to create a stunning interactive demo. Let's say in this Google Calendar example, I want to create a demo of the workflow where one changes the color of the event. Let's click on Start Recording and carry out all the steps that need to be captured in the demo. Okay, so let's click this. Let's click to the edit option. Let's change the color to sage and let's save it. Once you are done, click on this green tick box and sit back and sip your coffee while Fable does the rest. After clicking on the green box, Fable automatically redirects us to its website where we can begin the personalization of a demo. Since we have created a new demo, let's go ahead and select Create a New Interactive Demo. Let's name this How to Change the Event Color on Google Calendar and click on Next. Fable figures out which theme matches your brand colors. Don't worry, you can edit all of this once the Fable is spun up. Let's choose this one. We also have the option to finally tune our looks by choosing the shape of the annotation boxes. Let's select this. Okay, and now let's create interactive demo. Fable automatically stitches together all the steps of the demo and spins up a beautiful interactive demo. This is what it looks like. This is the preview of the demo. We did this step. We did this step. We selected the color and then we saved it. So that's how the preview of a demo looks. Now, for example, you want to use multiple screens for an existing demo. We have a workaround for that too. Follow a similar process, record anything and everything you would like to show in your demo and click on Save in an existing interactive demo. Let's choose Google Calendar demo and let's click Add to Demo. Once again, watch Fable do the magic. Ta-da! That's all, folks. Hope you've understood how to record stunning interactive demos with Fable's Chrome extension. Check out our other videos to see how you can use all of Fable's amazing features to make your interactive demos something that your buyers and customers will love. See you soon.